Hello, beautiful people. Hi, you guys. It's Mary with Mary's Cooking School. And I want to show you something really cool that's going to save you money. So, you can tell I don't have a camera person. It's just me. But I got to show you this, you guys. In Mary's Cooking School, I'm just going to talk, okay? In Mary's Cooking School, though, I am really committed to helping you guys not only learn how to be better in the kitchen, but how to save money, right? And I have here, you can see, a little chunk of meat. This is a little bit of boneless pork loin, okay? Now, 3 of these from Trader Joe's was about $8. And this is, crate-free, fairly friendly pork, okay? But we all know now that eating animals is really hard on the animals. Duh. But it's also really hard on the planet. And I think the more we can do to use less animal products, the better for everyone, right? But you don't want to, if you're not a vegetarian or a vegan, you don't want to give it all up. And I understand that. Here's what you can do. This little guy, I swear to you, will serve 4 people. How? First, what you want to do, you notice I'm honing my knife, okay? You want your knife super sharp, because what you're going to do with this here porky pork is cut it into little thin strips. What I've done, though, is it's partially frozen, okay? So it's super easy to make it super thin. I'll just show you real quick. Now there's this, right? Little fat in there, but that's okay. You need some fat. But what you do then is you take this little guy and keep going. So what you're thinking about, what you're making is matchsticks of porky pork. This also works really well with, pretty much any protein without a bone in it, yeah? But you can see I'm doing a real thin slice, and then slicing the slice, okay? But what this does, y'all, is gives you really enough of that meat adjacent stuff. So you could put this with mushrooms, maybe in a big stir fry with onions and celery and stuff like that. Or this is an Asian salad I made yesterday. Well, I can, saute these up and put them in there. We're good to go, right? But the point is, you guys, you don't have to kill a bunch of animals, and you don't have to spend a lot of money, right? 3 of these was $8, okay? Three of these guys. So for that $8, if you use, this method and do things like stir fries and casseroles and, pork a la king, whatever works, right? But if you do that, you're going to be a lot happier. Okay, I'm done. But if you want more info, and please sign up for a class, it's maryjwhite.com. The initial J, maryjwhite.com. Okay, bye.